Imagine waking up in 2026 to find your $100 XRP bet exploded into a life changer while others missed out. Watch to the end. This could be crypto's wildest shockwave yet. In the next 7 minutes, I'll break down how XRP ETFs work, why they could skyrocket prices, and your crypto ETF investing strategy for 2025, whether you're a newbie or a pro. But to really understand the massive opportunity ahead, you need to see the forces working behind the scenes. You'll get the scoop on Wall Street's billions, the SEC's make-or-break deadline, and a step-by-step plan to act before the headlines hit. And if you want these scoops before they break mainstream, here's how to stay ahead. Welcome back to the Fortune Signal, your no-hype guide to crypto's game changers before they go mainstream. New here? Subscribe and join our community to never miss a move. Quick note, this isn't financial advice. Always do your own research. With that said, let's dive into why XRP's ETF revolution could be your shot at history. XRP is an undervalued gem with massive potential. In April 2025, it's at $2.50 with a $140 billion market cap, a speck next to Bitcoin's $1.5 trillion. ETFs are like stocks you buy through brokers like Fidelity. They let massive funds pour billions into crypto without touching wallets or risky exchanges. While most coins dodge legal landmines, XRP holds a golden ticket of regulatory clarity, and Wall Street's taking notice. Predictions are rolling in, $5.50 to $12 by December 2025 if the ETF approval lands. Unlike meme coins, XRP powers real payments for banks like Santander, making it a true Wall Street darling. But it wasn't always this way. In 2020, XRP became crypto's outcast. The SEC sued Ripple, claiming XRP was an unregistered security. Exchanges like Coinbase delisted XRP, and the price crashed 70% to just 17 cents in weeks. Investors fled, and XRP became a regulatory red flag overnight. But in July 2023, a federal judge ruled XRP isn't a security on public exchanges, according to court documents. That handed XRP a legal edge most altcoins lack. As a consequence, by April 2025, XRP's back at $2.50, and Wall Street's circling once again. Here's how ETFs work in XRP favor. They're shaking things up. In April 2025, Teucrium launched XXRP, a leveraged ETF doubling XRP's daily moves, per Bloomberg. Its $600 million day one volume beat expectations by 50%, says Reuters. That's a lot to take in, but stick with me. It's huge. Leveraged ETFs amplify gains and losses, ideal for quick trades. But the real game is spot ETFs, holding XRP directly. Grayscale and Bitwise already filed, according to SEC filings. Crazy, right? Here's why it matters. The SEC's October 2025 deadline could unlock billions. To recap, XXRP's live, spot ETFs are pending, and the SEC's final call is locked for October 2025, and the money lining up behind these moves? It's jaw-dropping. JP Morgan's March 2025 crypto outlook estimates $3 to $8 billion in first-year flows. Yeah, that's serious money. We're talking Ethereum-level buzz. Still with me? Good, because it gets even wilder. CME futures for XRP launched in Q1 2025, showing Wall Street's full-blown demand. Imagine billions flooding in. XRP's ready to soar. If you wait for ETF approval, you're late. Grab your edge now. But before you leap, let's zoom out for a second. Don't let fear stop you from front-running the smart money. Let's hit pause for a quick pulse check. Comment below. If XRP's spot ETF launches, where's its price by 2026? $5? Or will it reach $25? I'm reading every take, so share yours. Feeling bullish? Smash that like button. And let's talk. Why is XRP set for this kind of move? ETF infrastructure is live. XXRP is trading, spot ETFs are queued. Timing's perfect. Bitcoin's ETF buzz is cooling, leaving XRP room to shine. But it's not just market timing. XRP's real-world tech is already making serious moves. Ripple's XRP ledger processes 1,500 transactions per second at a fraction of a cent in fees, moving $2 trillion for banks like Santander and Standard Chartered. Analysts are buzzing. with predictions pointing to $5.50 to $12 by 2025. XRP's niche, fast, cheap payments, makes it Wall Street's pick, like a digital Swift. Crypto's no sure thing, though. The SEC could delay or deny ETFs, with a 10% chance of appealing the 2023 ruling, per CoinDesk. Global rules like the EU's MiCA might tighten, according to Reuters, which means you either level up your strategy or roll the dice. But we don't gamble with our future here. ETFs track XRP like stocks. Leveraged ETFs double daily moves. XXRP's high risk, high reward. Spot ETFs hold XRP for big funds. Futures bet on tomorrow's price, per CME. You're already ahead just by being here. If you want to sharpen even more, search Crypto Basics 2025 on YouTube. Coin Bureau's YouTube channel is a goldmine. Now let's build your 2025 strategy. Your crypto ETF investing strategy starts here. Check Ripple's site for ETF updates and jump into Ripple's Telegram if you want real-time chatter. If you're ready to take action now, here's your move. Tactical traders buy XXRP on Fidelity with $50, max 10% of your portfolio. And if you're thinking longer term, buy XRP on Coinbase, store in MetaMask, and track October's SEC call via CoinDesk. XRP's $140 billion market cap, legal clarity, and 70-plus bank clients like Santander give it a unique edge. And on top of that, XRP handles $2 trillion in bank payments yearly, positioning it as a digital Swift, per Ripple's 2024 report. Its ledger's 99.9% uptime since 2012 beats Solana's outages. Stats are impressive, but this gets way more personal for you. This is about your future. XRP's ETF isn't just a trade. It's a chance to join a decentralized world where payments are instant. By 2030, your $100 XRP stake could fund a trip, or even launch a startup. Comment below. What's your 2025 crypto dream? Tag a friend who still calls XRP a scam. Let's prove them wrong and inspire our Fortune Signal family. Want to ride this XRP wave, not watch from the sidelines? Smash that like, subscribe, hit the bell, and join our Fortune Signal family to catch these moments first. And if you're serious about catching this next wave, here's your quick start checklist. Start with $50. Track October's SEC call. Dive deep. Watch our pinned videos. XRP's tokenization future, and top 3 crypto gems for 2025.